Hey, Aunt.
Hey, hey. I got my own motherfucking stuff, and I can't wait till this shit pay off now. And I'm in my motherfucking time. Hey, in my own time.
POV. So I get out the neighborhood. Don't want to scrape my wheels. You feel me? Gotta pull off slowly. There's somebody coming. All right, we Gucci. Baby pushing, nigga. I am telling y'all, bro. Get y'all motherfucking Lexus, bro. Lexus GS, bro. That shit be pushing, nigga. On God. Like, this is one of the fastest V6s out there stock, my nigga. This shit is stock, too. Be whooping scat pack stock. Like, imagine, bro. Imagine if we get some upgrades for this car and shit like that, y'all. Anyway, I just thought I'd bring y'all a little POV, you know what I'm saying? Because I never really do POVs and shit like that. So we gonna bring some of this shit to the channel. And yeah, man, we in the fucking neighborhood, about to dip out real quick, leaving my cousin's neighborhood, you feel me? And yeah, man, we out here, man. New vlogs on the way, make sure y'all young niggas stay tuned, you feel me? Alright, gotta stop by the stop sign, you feel me? There go that nigga right there. Nigga like fucking Tavares, oh god, that nigga like Tavares, what the fuck? Let me put this bitch in sports mode. This bitch is not getting up like how I want it to, bro. It's in fucking eco mode right now, you feel me? It's a G-Wagon? What the fuck? Who the fuck got a G-Wagon in the fucking neighborhood, bitch? What the fuck? This baby ready to go, nigga. On God, as soon as you put that bitch in sports mode, we out that hoe. That supercharged motherfucker, you feel me? This bitch got that supercharged hoe. I beat that nigga. Fuck that nigga pulling off. That slow ass shit. Oh shit. Bitch be pushing, nigga, and this bitch be hitting around the corners and shit. Hold up. Alright, we gonna switch to this side. Alright, we gonna give y'all nice little pull right here. Alright, let's go.